I'm today in front of me Honor 50 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So a couple of seconds ago I just set up here my fingerprint and now I'll just show you a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we will see how fast and how useful this feature is on our Honor 50. So let's start. Okay, I'll just do it with this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the fingerprint scanner method works really fast, and if you don't like some methods like the passcode, the pin, the pattern, you can use the fingerprint method here, fingerprint unlock method on Honor 50, but don't forget this space near the fingerprint and your fingers today to be cleaned just to unblock your device successfully. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.